Hello to all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you must be fine at your home. So students, what we had done in previous video, आपको याद है कुछ हम क्या कर रहे हैं? What we are doing? Yes, we are doing the questions of square and square root. This is very interesting chapter, square and square root. What we had done in before? We had done to finding the square of any number. We had learned different types to finding the square of any number. Today, let's learn finding the square root. After the square, let's find the square root of any number. Square root कैसे find करेंगे? आज हम वो learn करेंगे. I have told you in before that square and square root, square and square root are just relative of each other. But there is a square root, square and square root are just relative to each other, but there is different procedure to finding the square root of any number. There is different position. Student, बहुत अलग अलग तरीके हैं square root find करने के. जैसे finding square root through repeated subtraction. इसका मतलब क्या है कि square root कैसे repeated subtraction करेंगे तो square root कैसे find करेंगे. Suppose we want to find the square root of 81. अगर हमको 81 का स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करना है तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? हम लोग ऑड नंबर को माइनस करते जाएंगे, फिर जो आंसर आएगा उसमें अगला ऑड नंबर को माइनस करते जाएंगे. सो लेट्स सी फर्स्ट ऑड नंबर 81 minus 1 that is 80 minus 3 that is 77 minus 5 that is 72 and 72 minus 7 that is what? 72 minus 7 that is 65. 65 minus 9 that is 56, and 56 minus 11 that is what? 45. That is 45 minus 13 that is 32, and 32 minus 15 is what? 32 minus 15 is 17, and 17 is 17 minus 17 and 17 minus 17 that is 0. When 0 will come after 17 minus 17, when we do 17 minus 17 तो 0 आता है. हर एक नंबर से ऑड नंबर माइनस करते जाओ, स्टेप बाय स्टेप ऑड नंबर माइनस करते जाओ. जो नया नंबर मिलता है उसमें अगला ऑड नंबर माइनस, जो नया नंबर मिलता है उसमें अगला ऑड नंबर माइनस, जो नया नंबर मिलता है उसमें अगला ऑड नंबर माइनस करते जाओ. इसका मतलब फर्स्ट स्टेप, सेकंड स्टेप, थर्ड स्टेप, फोर्थ स्टेप, फिफ्थ स्टेप, सिक्स्थ स्टेप, सेवंथ स्टेप, एट्थ स्टेप एंड नाइन्थ स्टेप. नाइन्थ स्टेप में भी जाके आपको 0 मिल रहा है. इट मींस 81 is the square root of 9 because it takes 9 step to get 0. It takes 9 step to get 0. That is why 81 is a square root of 9. Got it, student? This is the procedure to finding the square root through the repeated subtraction. Got it? Students, we have discussed to finding the square root through the repeated subtraction. Now let's take one more topic, that finding the square root, another method, that is prime factorization through the prime factorization. Finding the square root through the prime factorization. How to find that? This is the procedure to find the square. Second procedure, that is if you want to find the square root of 81 by the prime factorization. If you want to find the square root of 81 by the prime factorization, so what you will do? Factor 81. It is in the table. It come in the table of 3. 3 2s are 6. 2 21. 3 7s are 21. You know that, student. I understand. आप जानते हो उसको प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन कैसे करते नंबर को. लास्ट क्लास में पढ़ा था आपने. सो यू नो वेरी वेल हाउ टू do the prime factorization of any number. So 3 9s are 27. Yeah, 3 3s are 9. Yeah, 3 1s are 3. So it means 81 is equal to, it can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Very good. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Make a pair of 3. One pair and two pair. It means 3 into 3. That is, अगर आप इसको पेयर बनाएंगे तो यहां से एक 3 निकालो बिकॉज इट इज अ स्क्वायर. यहां से एक 3 निकालो, इट विल टेक, दैट इज 3 into 3 that is 9. The prime factorization, the square root of 81 is 9. Square root of 81 is 9। आप जानते हैं फैक्टराइजेशन करना। लेट्स टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल. For example, let's take one more example, then you can definitely understand what we are trying to solve it. For example, you want to find the square root of 256. 256 by the prime factorization. You want to find the square root of 256 by the prime factorization. So 256 start from the 2. याद रहे, अगर फर्स्ट यूनिट डिजिट अगर इवन है तो फैक्टराइजेशन 2 से करेंगे, अगर यूनिट डिजिट ऑड है तो फैक्टराइजेशन 3 से करेंगे. ओके, so here is a 6. 6 is a even number, so we'll start from the 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 carries 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So what is that? So you can write 256 as it is. That is how much 2 it is? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Total 8 2s are there. 2 2 2 4 2 2 and 2. So make a pair of 2. 1 2 3 and 4. So select 1 2 from here, select another 2 from here, select another 2 from here, select another 2 from here. So you find that 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16. So it means 16. 256. The square root of 256 is 16 because it is 16. The square root of 256 is 16. So student, what we have discussed today, we have discussed to finding the square root by different method. First we have learned about the finding the square root through the repeating subtraction. After that we have discussed finding the square root through prime factorization. Prime factorization आप लोग ने पढ़ा है, लास्ट कैसे फैक्टराइजेशन करते हैं पढ़ा है आपने. आप अगले वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे कि कैसे स्क्वायर रूट को डिवीजन मेथड से सॉल्व करते हैं. अलग अलग मेथड से स्क्वायर रूट को सॉल्व करने की हम लोग सीख रहे हैं. सो वी आर ट्राइंग टू फाइंड द स्क्वायर रूट फ्रॉम द डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ मेथड. सो स्टूडेंट, try to find the square root of different kind. We have 2 kind of method. So try to solve all the question which is belong to these 2 method. Till then, we will meet in the next video with the new topic. Bye bye.